Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
We're relaxing somewhere. Hope you're having a brilliant day.
If you follow our channel, you know we're currently on the beautiful island of Madeira.
And if you don't follow our channel, why not? Subscribe, you'll be really helping us out.
But today, we're going to go on a little road trip and we're going to go to a place they call Paradise.
So we've come to Faja dos Padres, and it was a lovely, easy drive as well, which I've enjoyed today. And it's about 15 minutes outside of Funchal.
Yeah, and at the moment we're at the top, and the views up here are absolutely stunning. It's absolutely beautiful up here. But we're not going to stay up here because it's actually down below where we are, and it's only accessible by cable car or by boat.
Yeah, I hope it's not a boat.
Yeah.
Boats don't go down. Oh, it's not too bad. It's the view of the sea.
Oh.
Alright, it's not too bad at all.
Oh. It was really steep though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it is really steep. This is absolutely lovely. I was dreading coming down here. I was expecting to go like at an angle, but it's just lovely views of the sea and the cliffs as you go down.
Yeah, I will say now on it, it's not so bad, but I was like, oh, I can't look over the edge.
No, I couldn't. It was like you were going to go on a roller coaster for a second, but oh, this is absolutely fantastic.
So we've just got off the cable car, so we're now at Faja dos Padres.
I really enjoyed it. I was dreading it when we were getting in that cable car up the top.
I really wasn't looking forward to it. I had visions of it being like a roller coaster and you sort of going over the edge, but it was so smooth, it was lovely.
Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
It cost us €10 each to come down in the cable car, and it's obviously a return trip because it's the only way you can get back up.
Yeah, well, unless you've got a boat and you can sail away.
Yeah, you can sail away on a boat. Or there are steps, or it looks like a giant ladder all the way back up to the top, so I'm definitely not going to miss that cable car up.
This is amazing. I am sat in a banana plantation in Madeira. I love it. I've actually got a couple of species of banana plants myself at home in my garden, but obviously I don't get any bananas on them in England. So you can actually stay down here, and they've got 9 holiday cottages which people rent out and they stay down here.
What a unique place to stay. What a fantastic vacation that
Really
would be.
unique, yeah. Really different.
I did that bit of film and I didn't see that rock sticking oh dear. About 5 octaves higher now.
We've walked through the banana plantation and we've walked on the seafront and we've come to the only restaurant that's down here.
They get all their produce from the organic farm and we've ordered salads. I'm really looking forward to them.
Yeah, they should be delicious. And we've got amazing views behind us, as you can see. Right on the seafront, it's stunning.
It's like paradise down here, it's absolutely gorgeous. Both got exactly the same thing, and it's a chicken salad with pineapple, honey, but in curry, which I'm looking forward to. It looks very interesting. It looks amazing. Oh, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Really nice.
It is so well presented, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Let me try with the chicken. Oh yeah, it goes really well.
Yeah, it's lovely,
It's really
isn't it?
nice. And you can really taste the curry, and surprisingly enough, it is really, really delicious. I thought it was going to be a bit weird with the curry and the salad, but really good.
So we've just finished our meal. It was delicious, it really was. We were halfway through eating it and Rinda said to me, "Hey, it tastes like coronation chicken." And it twigged, yeah, of course it does. That's chicken with curry sauce on it cold. But the fruit and veg on it were delicious. It had the pineapple, the tomatoes were so juicy and tasty, even the cucumbers were absolutely gorgeous. So there is a beach down here, and like most beaches in Madeira, it's a pebble beach. And the pebbles on this beach are really big. I went to walk along it a minute ago and almost broke my ankle.
So the first thing you'll notice when you get off the cable car at Faja dos Padres is the organic farm, and you do walk through it as you walk down to the restaurant, and it's a massive banana plantation, and we've seen them growing things like cabbages and onions, and there's vines everywhere, so they do really grow a lot of stuff down here.
So going back up, the last cable car leaves at 6 PM, so make sure you don't miss it because it looks like a long walk back up if you do.
Well, that cable car really wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
No, it's not as bad as it looks at all.
No.
It really isn't.
And once you get down to Faja dos Padres, it is beautiful down there. Very tranquil, very chilled.
It was a lovely way to spend an afternoon, it
Yeah.
really was.
Very unique way to spend an afternoon.
Yeah.
We're back in Funchal now after having a very unique and chilled afternoon.
I really enjoyed myself this afternoon. I thought it was lovely down there, I really did.
Yeah, and they call it paradise, and you can understand why, because it was absolutely amazing down there. It was beautiful.
We're last seen somewhere. The last fish you saw was paradise.
If you want to find out where we are next in Madeira, why not subscribe and watch our videos.